The giant tech company Tesla has a habit of announcing big projects that takes the world by surprise from time to time. Tesla has unveiled its new Cybertruck Steel Factory, which cost a whopping $1.9 billion, and this announcement may help cement future Cybertruck manufacturing. Tesla may find itself with a dependable steel supply capable of keeping up with the business and the anticipated demand for its distinctively built all-electric pickup vehicle. This video covers all about Tesla's new $1.9 billion Cybertruck Steel Factory, so watch to the end so you can be well informed about this mega project. When Tesla announced the Cybertruck, one of the most intriguing aspects was that the vehicle would be constructed using an exoskeleton rather than a conventional automotive body structure. Cybertruck is designed with an external shell intended for maximum durability and passenger protection. The manufacturer said of the exoskeleton that the ultra-hard 30-time cold-rolled stainless steel structural skin to Tesla armor glass. A smooth monochromatic exoskeleton offers optimum passengers protection. It places the shell on the outside of the vehicle. It can help avoid damage, dent, and long-term corrosion. The steel utilized in Cybertruck will be a significant component of the car. According to the occasion when the electric pickup was initially revealed, the steel is cold-rolled 30 times to have great strength. Precision and quality control are required when producing particular grade steel and quantity. During the launch, CEO Elon Musk said that aside from the Cybertruck, the Starship rocket would use the same alloy as SpaceX's future interplanetary spaceship. We know that Tesla may be obtaining the steel from Steel Dynamics, constructing a massive new plant in Texas. The project is estimated to cost $1.7 billion and will generate new employment. Aside from supplying steel to Cybertruck, the factory will also employ various individuals at competitive wages. There is a chance that the plant and everything else going on there are up and running. There could be at least 3,000 employees out there working in that area. The number of workers in one facility may be far more than that of ExxonMobil. Initially, the activities were scheduled to begin in the autumn of 2021. However, there is no official information regarding the current development. We have gathered that the facility is already equipped with machinery. The vast factory can be viewed upon permission granted. The facility is 167 kilometers from Tesla Giga, Texas, which is also under development. The Steel Dynamics facility is scheduled to open in the autumn of 2021. This also made it official that CEO Elon Musk is no longer a resident of California. He has relocated to Texas. According to the most recent tally, Tesla intends to manufacture the electric pickup truck in late 2021. It now has over 650,000 reservations for electric vehicles. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has cautioned that bringing the Cybertruck to production on schedule would be difficult. This is due to the need for the new manufacturing techniques to create the steel exoskeleton. It is understood that Giga Texas would first manufacture Model Y to satisfy the current demand before beginning Cybertruck production. The Cybertruck prototype is now undergoing testing. Interestingly, neither Steel Dynamics plant nor Tesla confirmed their affiliation with Cybertruck. On the other hand, the factory claimed that they would be producing steel for an electric pickup. Tesla is the only business that makes stainless steel electric pickups. Therefore, the steel would be for Cybertruck. Tesla Cybertruck is a one-of-a-kind pickup truck. It not only has fantastic features, but it also has a one-of-a-kind design. The outer shell of the Cybertruck is designed for maximum durability and passenger protection. Every component is engineered for greater strength and durability. From its ultra-hard 30 times cold-rolled stainless steel structural skin to Tesla armor glass, down to the virtually impenetrable exoskeleton of the vehicle. Tesla claims to agree with Steel Dynamics to provide steel for the Cybertruck electric pickup truck. This will be done from a new $1.7 billion plant in Texas, not far from Tesla's Texas factory. Steel Dynamics Inc. is said to be a source of steel that Tesla would utilize in the future for its Cybertruck. Steel Dynamics Sinton plant is Tesla's Cybertruck steel supplier. Their work on constructing the plant to manufacture Cybertruck steel has been slower than Tesla's Giga Texas. However, progress is visible today, and a large part of it has been outfitted with the necessary equipment. Sinton, Texas was selected as the building's location since it's close to Tesla's new factory. Steel Dynamics said that the facility would be ready for commissioning by mid-2021, with a capacity of 3 million tons of steel a year. Steel Dynamics Sinton factory is expected to offer a large number of well-paying employment to residents. It was also originally planned to begin operations in the fall of 2021. Judge Krebs claims that the new Steel Dynamics factory will provide steel for the desired electric pickup truck known as Cybertruck. Tesla, he argues, will utilize Steel Dynamics steel and improve on it with its own technologies. Now, some of the other companies that work with STI will actually be taking STI's product and refining it a little bit better. We're hearing that one of the businesses on the verge of getting there is going to redo STI steel, and that steel will actually go into the Tesla vehicles that they're bringing in from California to build here. The alloy teams at Tesla and SpaceX have consistently developed a range of alloys that are perfectly suited to their requirements. During Battery Day, Tesla CEO Elon Musk said that his businesses had developed previously unavailable materials and alloys. What's more, the Sinton Steel Mill is just around 167 miles distant from Gigafactory, Texas. This should enable steel transfer between the two sites possible, allowing Tesla to scale up Cybertruck manufacturing easily. While the expansion of Steel Dynamics facility in Sinton has not been as rapid and dramatic as that at Gigafactory, Texas, the site has expanded considerably in recent months. When San Patricio County Judge David Krebs talked to local media outlets about the proposal in December, the steel factory area was still under construction. A more recent overhead video shows that many structures have been built, with some having equipment installed. Interestingly, Tesla has previously indicated that the steel used for the Cybertruck will have some distinctive features. Regarding Steel Dynamics' Texas factory, Judge Krebs previously said that Tesla would be redoing the steel from the Sinton plant to build an all-electric pickup. This indicates that Tesla is being extra cautious with the Cybertruck's secrets, particularly those involving the vehicle's exoskeleton and body. Now, some of the other businesses who deal with STI will be taking STI's products and improving it somewhat. We're hearing that one of the businesses that were fairly close, probably coming close to taking STI steel and reworking it, and that steel will actually go into the Tesla vehicles that we're bringing in from California to build here. Krebs added, the Tesla Cybertruck is scheduled to enter beta later this year, with full production beginning the following year. Steel Dynamics now has more time to expand and improve its Sinton, Texas facility. The Tesla Cybertruck's puzzle pieces seem to be coming together. Apart from the fast growth of Gigafactory Texas, Steel Dynamics, Tesla's supplier of steel for the vehicle, is also making significant progress at its Sinton, Texas plant. Aerial footage of Steel Dynamics' Sinton site reveals that the facility is massive. Most of it is already outfitted with machinery. The Cybertruck Steel Factory is the next big thing. We anticipate all of the production and positivity that this excellent mega factory holds for Tesla and the world at large. What are your thoughts about the factory costing $1.9 billion? Do you think this is a good one for Tesla? Share your thoughts in the comment section.